What's up, guys? I just want to give you a little tour of my Nerf guns. I'll show you this one, which you saw. I'll show you this one, which you saw in the first video I did. If you didn't, you could just go check that out. And you can see the barrel pops out. If I could just hold on, I got a new case though. Yeah, I need to turn this around. See the barrel pops out. You just press this button, push it. Switches. See? You can see the cock it. You just push this back, and then and I got this one. As you can see, this one's a little broken, but it still works. It's sort of tied up. Fix this here. Hold on. Just need it. Down here. No, right here. And as you can see, strong cock. You just put him in there and then pull this back. This goes back here. Right here, it's all broke. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry about that. And then I got this gun. There we go. Then you can see this gun. Then this came with it. The little attachments. See? These two attachments. And then cock it, pull that back until you hear that, and then push it forward. This is new. This one I'm going to show you how much it goes, but those ones didn't have any bullets in them. But want to see this one? Ready? This whistles. Can you hear it? Hold on. Do you hear that? Yeah. And this one, which I painted, but the paint keeps peeling off, so I'm going to have to fix that a little bit. And then you just pull this back, and it lights up. Once you take if you take a little bit, this will turn off. But the light will turn off, but you can still shoot. Oh yeah, I had to show that. And then here's the last but not least. I might do another one of these videos. this. This is a super good one. Got this part right here. Here, and I'll show you. I'm gonna go get a part for it. This right here. Right here. Put it on, and then it has this on it, so you can strap it to your pants. Cock it, you just pull this part back. This part. Fire. Yeah. I'm gonna go see if I have any more. Because, well, I don't really pay attention to them that much. And I have one that's broken there and stuff. Some of these are rip-offs. And that's why, just, yeah. But those aren't. I'll show you my sister. Here's my kitty. There she is. There she is. Here, switch cameras. It's easier that way. There she is. There she is. Yeah. She's a nice kitty. No. Yeah. He's there. There, kitty. Come out if you want. There's the doggies. And I'll show you my Pokemon cards. Just turn the light on. It's in the way. Where'd my search go? Oh. Hi, where'd the last one go? Can't find it. Yeah, let's switch cameras. So it's like this. There we go. But where did the light? Finally, let's turn this on. There it is. Found it. There we go. And as you can see, I got all this stuff, and I got 2 fidget spinners in this one. I didn't even know I could do this. Ready? Let me spin it. Awesome. Yeah, put all of them on. Change how we do this, the flicker and stuff. That as well. Yeah. Just need to turn all these off. That one off. Got this little thing for it. Came with it. I'm watching Harry Potter this morning, but just need to. That was done the whole time. Sources real quick. Yeah. Okay. Just take this Harry Potter stuff.
All-inclusive resorts.
I got my
Like
where's that?
Call 1-800-BEACHES and save up to 65%.
Bronco's Modern Life Hacks, number 456. Going to the beach.
Here they are.
To the beach, turn your AC on before you get into the car to avoid roasting those butt cheeks. sure to get all up in those nooks and crannies. Go, and keep a watchful eye on your pets around Pelicans.
And I got my water tanks back here. Gym. And yeah, but we can't see them, but maybe next time I'll show you these. And I showed you this a little bit ago. In a different one, different video. And yeah. See? And it's waterproof. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And I might do a most dangerous series. Or might do a most dangerous video of toys. Most dangerous toys of all time. Might do that one. Oh yeah, if it is the first video seen by me, make sure to like and subscribe. If this is the first video seen by me, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video!